Hi everyone, so my name is Hannah Wilson and this is my submission for the assignment Digital Storytelling for the course Technology for Leading and Learning. And I'm a mass communications major, so the software that I decided to review is Visme or Visme. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but after looking at the website and using it, I think it is an amazing tool for presentations, advertisements, creating advertisements, and data tracking, and so much more. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is search Visme on Google and click create a free account. It's super easy and pretty self-explanatory. Once you do that, it'll take you to the same page that clicking this within your dashboard will take you. And if you click any of these, it gives you so many different options of different templates that you can use. There's presentations, infographics, documents, charts and graphs, which this is awesome for doing presentations within an advertising agency about statistics on how your ads did and stuff like that, the exposure and impressions they got and everything like that. There's printables, so you can make things and print them straight from the website, which is really awesome. Social graphics, web graphics, all different kinds of things. And you can also just search, which I searched fashion because I want to do something within advertising and fashion. But if I go back to my dashboard, you can keep all of your ads and projects that you've made in here, and edit them or even present them. And there's also my brand, which this is really cool, I think, for just keeping everything organized if you are doing advertising for one specific brand and want everything to be all in one place. So I thought this was awesome, especially in this day and age with there being so many opportunities within social media and advertising. This is really cool to be able to have everything all in one place like that. Then also this data section I think is awesome for seeing the traffic that your advertisements get, where you can publish them straight through the website or obviously throughout anything else. But so I'm going to go to the project that I created and show you a little bit about how to use the website. So when this loads, yes, so the template that I used was this one. It started off as that. I changed it up a little bit and added my own style to it and stuff. And the ad that I made was a fashion ad for a new collection of a silk line for some website, where obviously this isn't a real ad. That's why this was already there, but I just didn't want to put any other website because it's not for any real website. But I added summer silks, enter code summer at checkout for 20% off, and use different fonts. And you can edit them by double clicking, changing the font size, color, bold, italicized, everything like that. It's super easy to use. There's also basics, which they have so many different options. I used this text right here, just as that little sidebar because I thought it was super eye-catching. And they just have so many different options that make it really easy to create an advertisement by showing you something that will look pleasing to the eye, that is pre-created for you, which I thought was amazing. They paired different fonts together that look really well within advertisements and are eye-catching and aesthetically pleasing. I think this section, the stats and figures, would be great for doing a presentation about an advertisement or about how well an advertisements did and stuff like that, or just including them within one. They have graphics and text that are also just super easy to use and are already done for you, which I thought was super cool and are really good for both presentations and creating advertisements. There's photo grids, so you can make a collage that you don't have to make yourself. And then all of these just awesome templates that are kind of just ads in themselves that you can edit to your own style and customize. There are graphics, lines, shapes, all of those things that you can add. Photos, I decided to use my own photo that I found off Pinterest, but they have a lot of good photos here too. Charts and graphs, which as I said would be very good for presentations, diagrams, tables, maps. They have just really everything you could think of to use to make an advertisement. It's really cool, and I think it's kind of a good mixture of a lot of software that we've used over the semester, and I thought it was really easy to use and one of my favorites so far for sure. They also have theme colors, so you don't have to do that yourself. My files, which I thought was amazing because you can keep all of your pictures and images or anything like that all in one place. You don't have to go retrieve it every time you want to use it. Then also you can add audio and stuff like that. I did that, and you can even present it right through the software. So lastly, there's this tab right here where you can change the canvas size, so you can make it a postcard, a gift card, or gift certification, business cards, stuff like that, and print it straight from the website. You can make a grid just to make sure everything's super symmetrical, auto save it. This I thought was really cool because you can go back to any of the versions if you messed up on anything or want to change anything. And I think that was a struggle for me in some of the other software that we used. And this also goes along with that. You can delete anything, any specific thing, object that you added to it, any piece of text, image, stuff like that. And yeah, you can publish it and edit things like that. And then you can also present it through here, which is going to have the music behind it. So I'll let it play for a second. So if you want to present it to a group of people in a meeting or anything like that, you can have the full effect, have music, graphic, images, videos, stuff like that. I think this was an amazing website. It had so many options, was very easy to use, and I would definitely use it again. Thank you all for watching and listening.